For this question, we've been asked to prove that the difference between the squares of any two consecutive integers is equal to the sum of those integers. So the first thing to do is have a go yourself. And then if you get stuck, please feel free to look at the rest of the video. So here comes the solution now. So the first step of the solution is to say let n be an integer. So this means n is a member of the set of integers. But if you prefer, you can simply write out the words n is an integer. That's absolutely fine. And we've been asked to look at any two consecutive integers. So if n is our first integer, the next consecutive integer would be n plus 1. And now we have to look at the difference between the squares of these two numbers. So that would be n plus 1 squared subtract n squared. And if we expand these brackets, that gives us n squared plus 2n plus 1. And then we still have to take off the n squared. So that leaves us with 2n plus 1. Now let's look back at the question. We've got to prove that what we've found is equal to the sum of those two original integers. Well, we can rewrite 2n plus 1 as n plus 1, which is simply n plus 1. So that's our answer, and that's the proof complete.